Your commanding presence is felt by all. Many people cannot help but take notice of your towering, striking stature that radiates power, that radiates authority. You are self-assured. You are focused. Your energy means business. And people have no choice but to fix up whenever they are around you. Maybe to impress you so that you see them on the level that you are at. Even if you don't prompt them to act in this manner. People feel like they need to level up to your energy. You execute boss moves. There's an energy of intimidation that you trigger in others, knowingly or unknowingly. You are self-sufficient. You have a quiet, powerful confidence. You are focused on your money, controlled, hardworking. Ambitious. You set goals and you smash them. Even if you're not loud, people can sense that your energy is not one to play with. But once they get to know you, they realize that you are down to earth, humble. So much different from how you are at work. These energies could be from people that you actually work with. You are a powerful leader. You lead by example. You work hard, but you play hard. There is a balance. You're not the type of individual to isolate any gender. You have that capability whereby you can get on with both genders. You know how to articulate yourself when dealing with people of the opposite gender. You carry an air of respect and people have no choice but to respect you. You have a way whereby individuals can sense that you did not get to your position by underhanded means, by flirting with the boss. It is through shared hard work, determination, perseverance that made you the person that you are in the now. Even if this is not a work situation, within the family, you are seen as a head of the family, the leader of the family. You have been through so much and you have allowed your past to propel you into success. You had no one to rely on, no one to lean on. Everything fell on you, lack of support. And people have no choice but to put respect on your name. You were destined for this spot. Your energy carries so much weight. Many people want to align with you. Some people feel like you are destined to be in a position of power from a young age. Bosses, managers could see the power within you. Maybe when you started at a job, you may have felt like people were being hard on you. Higher-ups were not taking you seriously, but they knew all along. For some of you, unfortunately, these higher ups were threatened by you to the point whereby they may have bullied you out of your spot because of the fear that you will take their spot one day. They saw the powerhouse within you. You may have wondered, why are they treating me this way? Because they saw your greatness and they were fearful of it. Trapped in their own ego, instead of aligning with you and working together to build a company, to make a company out of this world by joining forces with a powerhouse, a dynamic, masterful leader, they tried to crush you, leading to their own demise. Because if that did happen in the past, when you left, the whole place collapsed after. For others of you, some bosses may have been quite stern with you, but they were trying to push you to your greatness, your potential that they could see, that they could sense within you. They were training you up because they could see and they knew that one day you will be running the company. You are guided and protected by spirit. People look up to you and come for your wise counsel. You have a lot of spiritual authority. You may not be aware of it, but you do actually channel spirit. And people can see and sense that you are unlike any other leader that they have encountered. Yes, you work to pay your bills and you love to hit targets, but you are coming to the understanding that there needs to be a balance in regards to the material and the spiritual. Some of you have reached great heights of success and gained so much money, but that didn't make you happy. You are realizing, or you will realize, that the true happiness comes from inner peace, detachment from the material. Because what you retain within, you will attract outwardly also. So some of you are detaching from that need, from that chase, from that desperation that you may have had to have money, because you've proven to yourself that you can accumulate so much money. But for some of you, with that comes stress. With that may have came burnout, not having a balance to spend time with your children. Because you have to meet deadlines, you have to do this, you have to do that. To the point where you do not even have a social life. So now some of you are merging the two together. Yes, you want to make a lot of money so that you can live a decent, peaceful, and abundant life, but not at the cost of your peace. You are prioritizing now. You are balancing out both sides of your life, and you're feeling much happier about it. You have so much authority, even if you're new at a workplace. Sometimes people may come up to you and ask you questions as though you are the boss, as though you are the CEO, because your energy radiates that you know quite a few things. And you may even shock yourself by mentioning what you do actually know if someone asks you a question. And you may be quite shocked that you know how to answer a question, especially if you're new to a job. It's because Spirit's giving you the nudge and the download. One thing that is so beautiful about you is that despite your presence and how you affect change in the workplace, you still retain that connection to your inner child, and people find you to be so relatable. You may gain people saying, I didn't know you were like this, once they get past the mask of your authority. They realize how playful you are, how jovial you are. They realize that you are compassionate, you are sweet. You're like a friend that they met a long time ago. And you are easy to befriend. Because people do have assumptions about you at first. People may judge you at first based off your commanding presence, because it can intimidate a few people. There's an intensity behind your eyes. You walk with purpose. And some of you may feel like, why are people threatened by me? I'm just me, because you're just connected to that inner child. You know, that beautiful spirit that you have. You're not realizing that you are affecting change outwardly. You're not aware that people feel like they have to be on their end game to match your energy. And you have that ability to create other powerful leaders behind you. And you're not afraid to propel others into success and victory. You give people the same formula, the same blueprint as to how you made it. Everyone's path is different, but you are a true leader because you want everyone else around you to succeed and to win. You do not gatekeep. So you being in this position, or you having this effect on others, is not by accident. You know, Spirit, God, whoever you believe in, granted you this gift that you possess. And some of you are not in the position that you want to be in the now, but with your essence, you will be in a position of power one day. And with this energy, many people could have crushes on you. Or there's speculation about your love life because you're very controlled and extremely private. You know how to separate your working life to your private life. There's speculations of, have you got children? Do you want children? Are you in a relationship? Do you want a relationship? You keep people guessing. You are a master manifester. When you want something, you're so focused, your tunnel vision, and you always achieve your goals, even if it takes you months or years. Even if you try and you fail, you try again. You do not believe in giving up. Giving up is not an option. Even if people feel like they can steer you off your path, you may retreat, go back to the drawing board, and then you rise again, like a phoenix rising from the ashes. You leave situations, jobs on your terms. If it doesn't fit you, you know when to move on. But you make sure you leave your mark when you do leave. And many people may want to study you. And they may try, but what you possess is innate. It cannot be bought, it cannot be taught. It's within your birthright to be who you are. Many people can feel that you mean business. Even if you feel like you are appearing down to earth, you could have a strong ascendant. You can have your sun, your Venus in your MC. You can have your Mars conjuncting your MC. You are a powerhouse, unforgettable. Your energy cannot be missed. Whether people love you or dislike you, one thing is for sure, you make an impact. And your energy is here to make an impact, not only in the workplace, but in the world.